Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about, I'm a mediocre developer. I want to be an S-tier dev. What's my game plan? Want to know how to become a developer without a degree? Check the description. The same way one gets to Carnegie Hall. You practice, and you practice, and you practice. That is entirely up to you to improve your skills at solving problems by writing programs. I will also strongly encourage you to not compare yourself to others and the who is making more. It's a really good way to get burnt out and angry at the world. It sure is. Source, I'm burnt out and angry at world. Couldn't be more true. Source, I'm not yet burnt out, but already angry at the world. Can see where comparison becomes a dangerous game, but I just disagree on it being a completely bad idea. I've made several large salary leaps by comparing myself to others that I wouldn't have ever considered possible had I just been focused on myself. Like, obviously don't beat yourself down when your results aren't the same as other people's, but if you can keep a level head, I think that comparison can be great for determining a ceiling. I'm far from an expert, but I think reading is a good idea. For instance, I enjoyed a philosophy of software design in particular, well, other than how it doesn't cover testing. You will always have large gaps in your knowledge. There is too much to learn. If you want to be S-tier, get good at learning new stuff quickly and selecting from multiple options. Don't worry about learning everything about X technology, it'll be out of vogue in 5 years anyways. Unless it's .NET or Java. I asked a similar question about a week ago, but it wasn't really focused on comparing myself to others. Don't ever do that, lol. Some people have better support, environment, better resources, etc. to help them accomplish their goals. Focus on getting better each day. An example, today at work, I focused on understanding routing and HTTP requests, something I didn't really put much thought into before. I know how to use, but not how they work. So now I can tell why and how routing works in .NET confidently. I got better than I was yesterday. Small steps, my guy. This only makes you good with algorithms and maybe problem solving. A lot of dev work you'll do in enterprise has nothing to do with this. You still need to grow in software engineering skills if you want to become better. Code analysis tools can go a long way to find the problem spots and giving advice on how to fix it. SonarQuben is one such tool and you can use it to identify the worst offending files. Additionally, one can use SonarQuben in conjunction with the CI system to make sure that the code that you are committing is better than code that was there. This is part of the Boy Scout role for software. You don't fix it all once. You stop making it worse and start fixing it in small spots to make each step better. I do feel like programming is much more of an apprenticeship type career. You need someone who's been doing this for a long time to show you the wisdom you can only pick up along the way. Steer away from those old better developers taught. They got there through grit and determination, slogging though the shitty code for decades. You want calm Zen master, someone who has figured out maintainable, tested code and elegant change-tolerant architecture. I strongly recommend reading Michael Feathers, Working Effectively with Legacy Code, and Scott Bain, Emergent Design, to understand what I'm talking about. After being in this situation a few more times, you lines realize it's not the end of the world after all. Source. 3yo and felt exactly like this the first year. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.